The legendary Toyota Land Cruiser begins its journey here, where engineering excellence meets manufacturing precision.
Every Land Cruiser starts as a digital dream, engineered using advanced CAD software where designers perfect every curve and component virtually.
Thousands of virtual simulations test safety, aerodynamics, and durability before a single physical part is ever manufactured or assembled here. High-strength steel, aluminum alloys, rubber, and glass arrive from certified suppliers, each batch inspected for
Every raw material undergoes rigorous inspection for thickness, chemical composition, and strength before entering the demanding production line today.
Laser cutting machines slice through steel with millimeter precision, creating the foundation pieces for the Land Cruiser's legendary rugged frame. High-pressure hydraulic presses stamp steel into precise shapes, forming the chassis components that will handle extreme off-road punishment worldwide.
Robotic welders join steel components with perfect precision, creating the iconic body-on-frame chassis that defines Land Cruiser's legendary strength.
The completed ladder frame chassis represents decades of proven design, engineered to carry heavy loads through deserts, mountains, and jungles.
Laser measurement systems verify every dimension with microscopic accuracy, ensuring perfect alignment before the chassis moves forward in production.
In the body shop, powerful stamping machines transform flat steel sheets into doors, hoods, roofs, and panels with flawless precision.
Hundreds of industrial robots work in perfect harmony, welding body panels together to create the body-in-white structure with incredible accuracy.
The body in white includes the passenger cabin, engine bay, cargo area, and reinforced safety zones, all perfectly integrated into one.
Every single weld point undergoes meticulous inspection for strength and accuracy, with immediate correction of even the smallest deviation.
Before corrosion protection begins, the body shell is thoroughly cleaned and degreased, removing all manufacturing oils and surface contaminants. The body is submerged in a phosphate solution bath, creating a chemical foundation layer that prepares metal surfaces for corrosion.
Electrodeposition coating uses electrical current to bond corrosion-resistant material to every surface, even hidden areas.
Emerging from treatment, every millimeter of the Land Cruiser's body now has comprehensive anti-corrosion protection for extreme global environments.
The painting stage begins in a completely dust-free environment, where air quality rivals hospital operating rooms for perfect finishes.
Robots apply the primer coat first, creating perfect adhesion and surface smoothness for the color layers that will follow next.
Each paint layer is baked in high-temperature ovens, hardening the coating into a durable, long-lasting finish that resists scratches.
The base color coat gives the Land Cruiser its final appearance, applied with robotic precision, ensuring consistent coverage everywhere.
The clear coat provides brilliant shine and scratch resistance, protecting the color beneath while giving that showroom-quality glossy appearance.
While bodies are painted, engines are precision-built in a separate facility from hundreds of carefully manufactured and tested components.
The engine block undergoes precise CNC machining, creating perfectly smooth cylinder bores where pistons will move thousands of times daily. The crankshaft, the heart of engine rotation, is carefully installed with perfect alignment, converting piston motion into rotational power.
Pistons connect to rods with microscopic tolerances, creating the compression chambers where fuel and air will ignite thousands of explosions.
Advanced fuel injection systems deliver precisely metered fuel at high pressure, optimizing power output, efficiency, and reducing harmful emissions significantly.
For turbocharged models, precision turbochargers force more air into cylinders, dramatically increasing power while maintaining excellent fuel economy today. Every completed engine runs on a dynamometer, verifying power output, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance before installation approval occurs.
Advanced automatic transmissions are assembled separately, engineered for smooth highway cruising and powerful low-range off-road capability combined perfectly.
Inside, complex planetary gear sets and clutch packs work together, providing multiple gear ratios for every driving condition imaginable.
The transfer case splits power between front and rear axles, enabling the Land Cruiser's legendary four-wheel drive capability in extreme terrain.
Each drivetrain unit undergoes noise, vibration, and mechanical precision testing, ensuring whisper quiet.
The final assembly line is where everything converges. Painted bodies meeting engines and chassis in a carefully choreographed manufacturing dance. Freshly painted bodies arrive from the paint shop, lowered onto the assembly line, where they'll receive hundreds of components systematically. Miles of wiring harness are carefully routed throughout the body, connecting every electrical component, from headlights to entertainment systems.
Brake and fuel lines are meticulously installed and secured, carrying critical fluids safely throughout the vehicle with multiple redundancy measures.
The sophisticated dashboard houses digital displays, climate controls, and advanced infotainment, becoming the
Premium interior panels are fitted with precision, housing controls, speakers, and luxury materials that define the Land Cruiser's refined cabin. Ergonomically designed seats with heating, cooling, and power adjustment are installed, providing comfort during hours of highway or off-road driving. Sound-deadening insulation and premium carpeting are installed, creating a quiet, refined cabin environment that isolates passengers from road noise.
The roof lining completes the interior ceiling, incorporating lights, handles, and consoles, while providing thermal insulation and elegant appearance.
Multiple airbags throughout the cabin provide comprehensive crash protection, with sensors that deploy them in milliseconds during any collision impact. Advanced robots install windshields and windows with perfect precision, applying specialized adhesive that becomes part of the vehicle's structural integrity. Doors are carefully hung and aligned with microscopic precision, ensuring perfect gaps, smooth operation, and that satisfying solid closing sound.
This is the marriage point, where painted body meets chassis, engine, and transmission, the most critical moment in final assembly.
The complete powertrain rises from below on precision lifts, guided by technicians using laser alignment to ensure absolutely perfect mating. Body and chassis unite with incredible precision, mounting bolts securing hundreds of connection points that will hold together for decades.
Every mounting bolt is torqued to exact specifications using calibrated tools, ensuring structural integrity that withstands extreme off-road punishment.
The sophisticated suspension system designed for extreme terrain is installed, including heavy-duty shock absorbers and springs for ultimate capability. Rear suspension with stabilizer bars controls body roll during cornering, while maintaining articulation for rock crawling and uneven terrain navigation.
Heavy-duty brake systems with large ventilated discs and multi-piston calipers provide confident stopping power even when fully loaded downhill.
Anti-lock braking sensors at each wheel communicate with computers thousands of times per second, preventing wheel lockup during emergency stops.
Wheels and all-terrain tires are mounted with precision torque specifications, and the Land Cruiser stands on its own for the first time.
Tire pressure monitoring sensors in each wheel constantly communicate pressure data to the driver, enhancing safety and efficiency on every journey. High-quality synthetic engine oil is carefully measured and filled, providing crucial lubrication for thousands of moving parts inside the engine.
Transmission fluid is added to precise levels, enabling smooth gear changes and protecting complex internal components from wear and heat.
Brake fluid fills the hydraulic system while air is carefully bled out, ensuring immediate pedal response and maximum braking force.
Engine coolant circulates through the radiator and engine block, maintaining optimal operating temperature in both scorching deserts and freezing conditions.
Power steering fluid enables effortless steering control, whether navigating tight parking lots or maneuvering over challenging rocky off-road obstacles. The moment of truth arrives as the Land Cruiser comes to lift for the first time, engineers monitoring every system carefully.
Computer diagnostics analyze engine response, fuel delivery, ignition, and emissions, verifying every parameter meets exacting Toyota engineering standards perfectly.
Every electronic system is tested. Instruments, lights, navigation, infotainment, and climate control.
Lighting systems are verified from LED headlights to brake lights, ensuring visibility and safety in all driving conditions, day or night. Climate control systems are tested for heating and cooling performance, maintaining passenger comfort from Arctic cold to desert heat extremes. Toyota's famous quality control begins with comprehensive inspections, where trained experts examine hundreds of points with exacting standards and precision.
Advanced computer diagnostics scan every electronic control unit, verifying that all systems communicate properly and function within perfect parameters.
Brake performance is measured precisely on dynamometer rollers, testing stopping force.
Ernest sample N. Laser alignment systems measure wheel angles to microscopic precision, ensuring perfect tracking. Tire wear.
Simulated rainstorms test every seal and gasket, ensuring the cabin remains completely dry even in the most severe weather conditions worldwide.
Inspectors carefully examine the interior during water testing, verifying that doors, windows, and sunroof seals keep every drop outside perfectly.
Sophisticated equipment analyzes noise and vibration levels throughout the cabin, ensuring the refined quietness expected in a premium luxury SUV.
Selected vehicles undergo real-world testing on demanding tracks, simulating rough roads, steep hills, and challenging off-road conditions they'll face globally.
Comprehensive documentation certifies that this Land Cruiser has passed every test and meets all quality standards before receiving final shipping approval.
Off-road courses test suspension articulation, four-wheel drive engagement, hill descent control, and the legendary capability Land Cruiser is famous for.
Final inspections with white gloves examine paint finish, panel gaps, and overall fit and finish, maintaining Toyota's reputation for perfection.
After passing all tests, each Land Cruiser receives thorough cleaning and detailing, transforming it into showroom-perfect condition for customers. Interior surfaces receive protective coverings, keeping leather seats, carpets, and trim in pristine condition throughout the global distribution journey ahead.
Every vehicle's identification number is verified and documented, creating the permanent record that will follow this Land Cruiser throughout its entire.
Comprehensive documentation certifies that this Land Cruiser has passed every test and meets all quality standards before receiving final shipping approval.
The logistics area holds completed Land Cruisers organized by destination, ready to begin their journey to dealerships across America and worldwide.
Transport trucks carry Land Cruisers across America to dealerships, each vehicle secured carefully for safe delivery to its final destination point. Rail transport efficiently moves vehicles across continents, carrying dozens of Land Cruisers.
For international markets, Land Cruisers are loaded onto cargo ships, beginning ocean voyages that deliver Toyota's legend. The journey ends at the dealership, where this Land Cruiser, built with precision, tested thoroughly, and delivered carefully, awaits its new owner.